Hey guys, Tech Mentor with a video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone 7 to fix any issues that you're having with your iPhone, whether the screen isn't working, frozen, apps aren't working, any kind of issues. This is the number one troubleshooting step you want to follow, and you will not lose any of your personal data. So let's get started. So in order to hard reset your iPhone 7, first thing is you're going to locate the volume down button right here on the left side on your iPhone, and then the lock here or the wake button. We need to press the volume down and the lock or the power button at the same time for about 10 seconds or so, or until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo appear after it has been gone black, you'll let go of those buttons. So let's do this. So volume down and the side button. And you're going to keep on pressing and holding just like I am, as you can see here. Don't let go of those buttons until you see the Apple logo appear, and then at that time you let go of it. And all this is doing is shutting down the phone software and then reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue or even hardware related issue, it will fix your iPhone. And you might have to do this a few times to get it right. So if you don't get it the first time, just keep on trying it, and you can do it as many times as you need to in order to fix whatever issue that you're having. Sometimes you might do it once, might not really work. Go ahead and try it again. And again, like I said, this method will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your photos, videos, apps, everything will still be on your phone. You're not going to lose anything. Just use the volume down and the side button just like that. And as you can see here, I'm doing it again. And the screen goes black, and then wait for the Apple logo to appear, and then I let go of those two buttons at the same time. And the reason why you need to do it a few times is if you don't get it the hang of the first time, just keep on trying. This is also known as a forced restart, and the number one troubleshooting step basically Apple will recommend whenever it comes to fixing any software or hardware related issue as the very first attempt. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.